Does Sharp Smart TV have App Store? Yes, Sharp Smart TVs have an App Store, but the available store depends on the TV's operating system. Sharp Smart TVs run on Android TV, Roku TV, or AQUOS Net Plus, each with its own App Store for downloading streaming services and other applications. First, types of App Stores on Sharp Smart TVs. Sharp Smart TVs come with different operating systems, each offering a unique App Store. Android TV, Google Play Store, provides access to thousands of apps including Netflix, YouTube, and Disney+. Roku TV, Roku Channel Store, offers streaming channels, live TV apps, and entertainment services. Aquos Net Plus, Sharp's own platform. A more limited app store with basic streaming apps. 2. How to access the App Store on a Sharp Smart TV. Step 1. Press the Home button on the remote. Step 2. Navigate to the App Store section based on the TV's OS, Google Play Store, for Android TV models. Roku Channel Store for Roku TV models. AQOS Net Plus Store for AQOS Net Plus models. Step 3. Browse or search for the desired app and click Install. 3. What apps can you download on a Sharp Smart TV? Sharp Smart TVs allow users to download streaming apps, Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, Hulu, and Disney+. Music apps, Spotify, Apple Music, and Pandora. Live TV apps, Pluto TV, Tubi, and Sling TV. Utility apps, web browsers, file managers, and screen mirroring tools. 4. What to do if an app store is missing. If your Sharp Smart TV doesn't show an app store, update the TV software by going to Settings, then Software Update. Use an external streaming device like a Fire Stick, Chromecast, or Roku Stick. Install apps manually, Android TV models only, using APK files. 5. Alternatives for installing apps on Sharp Smart TV. If an app is not available in the official store, users can use screen mirroring from a phone or tablet, stream from a PC using an HDMI connection, use a smart streaming device to access more apps. Sharp Smart TVs come with different app stores depending on the OS. Android TVs have Google Play Store, Roku TVs have the Roku Channel Store, and Aquos Net Plus models have a limited app store. Users should check their TV type to access and download apps accordingly.